Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1077 pertains to a wiper auto stop signal circuit malfunction, specifically affecting the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey models. This diagnosis indicates a potential issue within the circuitry responsible for controlling the automatic stopping mechanism of the windshield wipers. This feature ensures that the wipers return to a designated park position when turned off, which is crucial for optimal visibility and safety. The components primarily involved include the relay control module, which manages the wiper motor and signals it when to stop, and the wiper motor itself, located near the base of the windshield. Understanding this DTC is vital for restoring proper functionality of the windshield wipers and ensuring they operate as intended during adverse weather conditions. The identification, evaluation, and remediation of this error involve a systematic approach to checking various components and connections associated with the wiper system. The B1077 error code affects key components in the wiper system, namely the wiper motor and the relay control module. The wiper motor is responsible for the mechanical movement of the wiper blades across the windshield, while the relay control module orchestrates signals that instruct the motor when to operate and when to stop. These components are typically located in the under-hood area, near the fuse and relay box, providing easy access for troubleshooting. The relay control module plays a fundamental role in ensuring that the wipers cease operation at the appropriate park position, enhancing driver safety by maintaining visibility. When this system malfunctions, it could result in wipers that either do not stop correctly or fail to operate altogether, impairing function during critical situations such as rain or snow. The potential causes of the B1077 DTC include several factors that can disrupt the operation of the wiper system. First, loose or poor connections at the relay control module or between the module and the wiper motor can result in erratic or failed operation. Additionally, if the wiper motor itself has failed, this could prevent it from receiving the necessary signals to function correctly, thereby triggering the error code. Another common issue involves blown fuses, specifically the number B415A or number B3130A fuses, which protect the wiper system circuits. If these fuses blow, the circuits will be interrupted, leading to the malfunction indicated by the DTC. Proper diagnosis requires checking these components systematically to isolate the exact cause and ensure effective repair. Various symptoms are associated with the DTC B1077, which can potentially impact the functionality of the windshield wiper system. One immediate symptom is the complete failure of the wipers to operate when activated, which may lead to visibility issues in inclement weather conditions. Another common indication is that the wipers may not stop in their designated park position, which can obstruct the driver's view if left in the upright position. Additionally, drivers may observe erratic wiper movements or intermittent functionality, indicating a possible electrical issue within the circuit. Recognizing these symptoms is vital for timely intervention to enhance safety and maintain clear visibility while driving in adverse weather. The first troubleshooting step for resolving the DTC B1077 involves using the Honda Diagnostics System (HDS) to clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes (DTCs). Clearing these codes helps reset the system and allows technicians to verify if the issue persists or if it was a transient fault. To perform this step, connect the HDS to the vehicle's OBD2 port and follow the on-screen instructions to clear the DTCs. Once cleared, it's essential to cycle the ignition switch to the lock position and then back to the on position, preparing the vehicle for the next steps in the troubleshooting process. This reset provides a clean slate for diagnostics, ensuring that the technician can accurately pinpoint any persisting issues within the wiper system. Following the initial DTC clearing, the second troubleshooting step requires turning the ignition switch from lock to on to mode. This ensures that all vehicle systems are powered, particularly the windshield wiper circuit. After activating the ignition, the technician must operate the wiper switch by setting it to the low or high position for at least 15 seconds before turning it off. This action verifies whether the windshield wiper motor runs as expected. If the motor does not engage, it could indicate a failure in the wiper motor itself or an issue affecting the power supply to it. A lack of motor operation points toward further investigation in subsequent steps. In the third step of troubleshooting, it is crucial to determine whether the wipers come to a complete stop at the auto stop park position after the switch is turned off. This outcome is essential as it indicates whether the wiper motor is functioning correctly. If the wipers do stop at this position, it directs the technician to proceed with further diagnostics to check for any existing DTCs using the HDS. Conversely, if the wipers do not stop as they should, it points to a potential malfunction that requires further examination of the circuits and connections associated with the wipers. Understanding the operational state of the wipers provides valuable insight into the system's integrity. In this troubleshooting phase, utilize the HDS to check for any DTCs present in the system after running the wipers. If DTC B1077 is still indicated, it necessitates an examination of physical connections and the relay control module. Loose or poor connections can lead to communication breakdowns between components, preventing the system from operating efficiently. Inspect the relay control module and the associated wiring to ensure secure and reliable contacts. If the connections are intact, yet the DTC reappears, it's recommended to replace the relay control module to restore proper functionality. Conversely, if B1077 is not indicated, it may suggest an intermittent failure, signaling the need to confirm all connections are tight and to be vigilant for future codes. Next, turn the ignition switch back to the lock position to prepare to examine the fuses supporting the wiper system. Check specifically the number B415A and number B3130A fuses located in the underhood fuse relay box. A blown fuse can interrupt power to critical components of the wiper system, triggering the B1077 code. It's essential to visually inspect these fuses for any signs of damage or breakage. If either fuse is found blown, replacing it promptly might resolve the issue. However, if either fuse blows again after replacement, it signals a deeper electrical fault, indicating a short to ground, which will need further investigation and repair. In this step, technicians carry out a test on the wiper main relay to ascertain its performance reliability. This relay is essential in controlling the power supply to the wiper motor, and any failure here can impede wiper operation. Testing entails checking for relay activation when the wiper system is initiated. If the relay does not engage, it indicates a defective relay. Upon verification that the relay is non-functional, it should be replaced immediately and subsequently rechecked for proper function. If the relay appears operational, it ensures the electrical pathway to the wiper motor is intact before proceeding to further diagnostics. The seventh troubleshooting step involves checking for continuity between the body ground and terminal number 3 of the wiper main relay 4P connector. This step verifies that there is a good ground connection, which is essential for the relay to function correctly. A multimeter is commonly used for this test. It will indicate if a complete circuit exists. If the continuity is present, it confirms that the ground connection is functioning as intended. In the event that continuity is absent, technicians must investigate potential causes, such as an open circuit or high resistance within the wiring. This investigation can involve inspecting wiring integrity and correcting poor ground connections, particularly at grounding points such as G203. The final troubleshooting step involves conducting a comprehensive test of the windshield wiper motor. This examination ensures that the motor is indeed functioning within its specified operational parameters. If the motor does not operate as expected, it indicates a malfunction, which may require replacement. Additionally, this test helps to confirm that power is being supplied correctly from the relay to the motor, ensuring all components are working in harmony. Observations during this test can reveal underlying issues such as internal short circuits or mechanical failures inside the motor housing. A successful test ensures that the windshield wipers are again ready to serve their purpose effectively. Following all troubleshooting steps, performing a final repair verification is essential to solidify the effectiveness of repairs conducted. This involves retesting all previously affected components to ensure they function as originally designed, especially utilizing the HDS to confirm that no DTCs are present is critical, as it signifies that the vehicle systems are now functioning correctly without any errors. The windshield wipers must be operated through their functions, ensuring they start, run, and stop at the proper park position. Only after thorough verification can the vehicle be deemed ready for safe operation on the road, ensuring driver and passenger visibility is restored under all weather conditions. Implementing preventive maintenance for the windshield wiper system is crucial in avoiding future DTC B1077 occurrences. Regular inspections should include checks for the integrity of electrical connections, ensuring they remain securely fastened and free from corrosion or debris. Additionally, it's beneficial to periodically test wiper functionality, especially before adverse weather seasons, to catch issues early. Continuously replacing worn wiper blades, as well as inspecting the wiper motor and relay connections, can enhance the longevity and reliability of the system. By incorporating these practices, drivers can ensure optimal performance and safety while operating their Honda Odyssey. In conclusion, the proper diagnosis and troubleshooting of DTC B1077 is essential for maintaining the windshield wiper functionality in the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. Key components, such as the wiper motor and relay control module, should be routinely inspected for any signs of malfunction. Addressing electrical connections and fuses promptly can prevent system failures and ensure driver visibility in all conditions. Regular maintenance practices are the cornerstone of automotive care, directly impacting safety while driving. By integrating these practices, vehicle owners can be assured of reliable and efficient windshield wiper performance, providing peace of mind while on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.